Faded. 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 Faded.
Hodek.
On the chrome, but I still need the dig which control the beat. Fitter than either procedure, better than precision. Either the beam, great more cheap than Honda and gypsies. Letting bitches creep. I'm going on deep sleep. This beat is looking to steep. I'm used to sweep on other rappers cause they are wet and weep. Let them bitches help speak cause they can get my ass on street. I seep to the seat. Repeat, I'm keep the sweetest of all time and hardest. Prime of the lead to the biggest moments of your life. Worst the time is prone on, not keeping it beat. Cause those are great when they're tired, when they quit, when they die. I'm not leaving the strap till I own more than a throne. Keep being it down, trying to see behind the chrome. Try it in front, they believe that you can get winning in front of anyone. Person, not as drawn. Up some state, and I start to spit blown. But my eyes can be haunted, cause I hunted more nonsense on low. And not on sense content, 99% real spent on our flow. I'm getting it raw, bitches, getting it slow. Don't care what's all, just keep getting it raw. Fuck the law, buck them all, tuck the ball, duck the wall, puck the ball, mock their calls, salt the crowd. Use my pole, brawl, rock the call, the ball come board with salt, come being half, cruise not all, and get killing war. I'm living as an outlaw. I got no big clout, so you can hear the call. I'm big radic, where's the she-wolf? I'm here but she won't coming to meet me, wolf. I'm coming home, I'm the start of the cold ground. I got no big clout, so you can hear the call. I'm big radic, where's the she-wolf? I'm here but she won't coming to meet me, wolf. I'm coming in home, I'm the start of the cold ground.
The distance that I did to music was like
Too early.
before I even started it, but I ain't able to understand how hard it controls this flow so clearly. I think there's some phenomenon involved which I can't understand entirely. Anyways, let me tell you why I'm doing this so aggressively. Because all you other MCs do it disorderly. Outraging because I can't stand how you do it so wrong and confidently. Let me show you how this rap game is won and played properly. Gold chains and swag caps don't make you rap. Chap, you might clap and crap at the end of this rap. I'll give you a recap, nothing less than a slap. It's a trap, you handicap, you a mouse, this is a mouse trap. Being a victim of the sick flow and the worst of your fears. And I don't stop till I see the blood coming from your ears. Being the pioneer, I have sheer disappointment in you as I tear you with these words like a sphere. Well, I can't stop cause I still got another minute left. Agree or not, I'm a partner with Harik in this theft of stealing all of the other rappers' career. As I sit back in my studio and their cries I hear. And as much as you want, I don't need the claw to catch you and destroy you and have the flows enough to kill you cause it's still raw. I'm nothing but just another teenager who saw rough times and I'm just able to express it to the fullest. Let's see how you react to me going deadlier and spitting these rhymes in an even more sickle flow, so I increase your fear, dear. A bottle of beer I broke on your career, let's make it clear. You're just a deer in the guise of wolf, I smell your fear. Coming near, back up your gear. It's queer how I'm so sick and still sincere to my game, coming to get you.
Stop hiding.
Yeah, it's time you start saying your prayers. I'll have to spit these words enough to fit this verse, as I admit that this is not a blessing but a curse. For other rappers maybe they can rehearse something better and stop me from getting me at my worst. This is the maximum that they can do, because this flow might catch you badly like a flu. You might just as well start arguing with me, because I rap what is true. Anyways, I don't care, do whatever you can do.